Best quiet flush toilets are designed to deliver powerful flushing performance with minimal noise, making them ideal for homes where comfort and peace matter. They combine advanced flushing systems with water efficiency and smooth operation, ensuring a quieter bathroom experience without sacrificing cleanliness or reliability. Starting at number 1, Kohler K398796 Flush Toilet. The Kohler K398796 Wellworth 2-piece round front dual flush toilet is a reliable and efficient bathroom fixture designed for everyday performance and water savings. Featuring a 2-piece construction with a round front bowl, it is compact and ideal for smaller bathroom spaces while maintaining comfort and usability. The Class 5 flush system delivers powerful and consistent flushing performance, helping to keep the bowl clean with each use. Its dual flush option allows users to choose between a light or full flush, promoting water efficiency without compromising effectiveness. Equipped with a left-hand trip lever, it offers simple and convenient operation. Finished in a soft biscuit color, this Kohler Wellworth toilet combines durability, practicality, and classic design, making it a dependable choice for residential bathrooms. Number 2. Ultramax 2128 GPF Elongated Toilet. The Ultramax 2128 GPF Elongated one-piece toilet is a high-efficiency and modern bathroom fixture designed for comfort, performance, and water savings. Featuring a sleek one-piece elongated design, it offers a seamless look that is easy to clean and fits well in contemporary bathroom spaces. The 1.28 gallons per flush GPF system provides strong flushing performance while using less water, making it an eco-friendly and cost-efficient choice. Its left-hand flush operation ensures convenient and smooth usage. Finished in a clean cotton white color, the Ultramax 2 blends easily with a wide range of bathroom styles. Combining durability, efficiency, and modern design, this toilet is an excellent option for upgrading residential bathrooms. Number 3. Kohler K39500 2-piece toilet. The Kohler K39500 2-piece elongated toilet is a reliable and efficient bathroom fixture designed for everyday comfort and performance. Featuring a 2-piece construction with an elongated bowl, it provides added seating comfort while maintaining a practical and durable design. With a 1.28 gallons per flush GPF system, it delivers strong flushing performance while conserving water, making it an eco-friendly choice for modern homes. The clean white finish allows it to blend seamlessly with a variety of bathroom styles and decor. Built with Kohler's trusted quality, this toilet combines durability, water efficiency, and classic design, making it a solid option for residential bathroom upgrades. Number 4. Kohler KOH3889-0 Height Toilet. The Kohler KOH3889-0 Highline 1.28 GPF 2-piece elongated comfort height toilet is a durable and efficient bathroom fixture designed for enhanced comfort and reliable performance. Featuring a 2-piece elongated bowl design, it provides added seating comfort and a modern look suitable for a wide range of bathroom styles. The comfort height feature offers a taller seating position, making it easier to sit down and stand up, especially for adults and seniors. With a 1.28 gallons per flush GPF system, it delivers strong and efficient flushing while conserving water. Designed with a 10-inch rough-in, it is ideal for bathrooms with specific installation requirements. Finished in a classic white color, this Kohler Highline toilet combines practicality, comfort, and water efficiency, making it a dependable choice for residential use. Number 5. HOROW T0338W 1-piece toilet. The HOROW T0338 1-piece toilet is a modern and space-efficient bathroom fixture designed for comfort, efficiency, and reliable performance. Featuring a 1-piece elongated design, it offers a sleek and seamless look that is easy to clean and ideal for contemporary bathrooms. Its ADA chair height seat, 17.3 inches, provides enhanced comfort and accessibility, making it suitable for users of all ages. The dual flush system, 0.81.28 GPF, helps conserve water while still delivering strong and efficient flushing performance. Designed with a 10-inch rough-in, it fits specific bathroom installation needs and saves space with its compact structure. Finished in a clean standard white color, the HOROW T038W combines durability, water efficiency, and modern design, making it a practical choice for upgrading any bathroom.